Welcome to this lecture based on prepositions. We will study prepositions at, in, on. First, at. At is used with small towns and villages. For example, he was born at Sonpat. Sonpat is the name of a small town, that's why here we have used at. He lives at Ramgarh. Here at has been used because Ramgarh is the name of a village. So at is used before small towns and villages. Second use of at. At is used before a noun denoting a definite point of time. If there is a noun that denotes definite point of time, before that we have to use preposition at. For example, he will start at 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock, this indicates a definite point of time, that's why at has been used. He called on me at 9 p.m. yesterday. Here you find that 9 p.m. shows a definite point of time, so here at has been used. Now use of in. In is used with the names of big cities, provinces or states and countries. For example, his father lives in England. England is the name of a country, that's why before England in has been used. I live at Panipat in Haryana. Here Panipat is the name of a town in Haryana. Haryana is the name of a state, that's why in has been used, and Panipat is a small town in Haryana, that's why at has been used here. His younger brother lives in Kolkata. Kolkata is the name of a big city, that's why before it in has been used. So before the names of big cities, provinces and country, we use preposition in. Next use of in is used before the names of months and years. If the names of months is given, so we have to use preposition in. His elder sister was born in 1972. 1972 is the name of a year, that's why preposition in has been used. He will go to Patna in April. April is the name of a month, that's why in has been used here. Next, on. First use of on we will study. On is used with dates and names of days. I joined college on 26 April. Here we find that 26 April, this is the name of a date, that's why on has been used. He will leave for Chandigarh on Wednesday. Here Wednesday is the name of a day, that's why on has been used. He will come here on Monday. Monday is the name of a day, that's why on has been used. So we have studied uses of prepositions at, in, on in this video. In the next lecture we will study other preposition. Thank you so much for watching this.